Good morning and welcome to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making protein pancakes to get me through my morning workout. Okay guys, now we're going to start off with the pancake batter. So I have a cup of egg whites, I have a cup of cottage cheese, and a cup of rolled oats. I'm going to blend that together. Make sure that's down tight. Oh my gosh, can't even pop it on yet. Okay, now to cook it. Alright, we're going to start making the pancakes now. Ooh, that's a bit too big. I don't want to look like the Hulk. So I'm going to start with this tiny one. So I've greased the pan with butter, and now I'm going to pour in the batter. So I've had a few rounds with the oven, but so far I'm ahead. So now we're going to flip the pancake into the big pan. I'm using 2 pans to speed up the production. 1 down, 3 to go. And here is our protein pancakes, topped with blueberries and finishing off with maple syrup. Now sit back and watch the maple syrup flow. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our page. Now Ray and I are off to do a workout.